You think being the safe option makes you the right one. It doesn't. That makes you predictable. And predictability doesn't get chosen.
If you want somebody to fucking like you, be the fucking bad guy. Ask your girl. All the fucking Disney villains, as long as they're hot, everybody's rooting for them. Is it healthy? No. Am I telling you to beat her ass? No, but just don't be the nice guy.
That right there is not an advice. It's a reaction to something men keep getting wrong. You think being agreeable, available, or even easy to be with makes you attractive. Unfortunately, it doesn't. It removes all tension, all uncertainty, all the edge. And without that, there's nothing to feel, nothing to chase, nothing to choose. So you don't get rejected, you get overlooked. Why being too safe gets you ignored isn't because you're not good enough, but because you removed everything that made you felt.